Yeah, what's up, everybody? Thank you for being here. I will appreciate your time and your effort. God bless you. God bless you. Before we start the show, I have something important to say before we start. You always got something important to say. Yeah. It's not everybody that do good that shows the person's a good person. That's the truth. The enemy that you don't know can do good to you just to get into you. That's it. As a human being, you know that when somebody is doing good to us, that's the time that we get closer to that person. That's the time that we tell the person our story, our emotion, our sadness, our secret, our everything. We try to we tell the person everything because we see that that person is good. So after the person has able to gather everything, every information that the person needed from us, that's the time the person will bounce back to show you the real color of that person. So when you go outside, when somebody does good to you, don't feel your heart that the person is a good person. Just give time to that person, hit it on. Just hit on. You gotta be careful of everybody that do good to you. Gotta be very careful. I'm not saying that there are no good people out there. I'm saying that they are not everybody that do good to you that shows that he's a good person. Do you understand? So we just have to be very careful with everybody. We gotta be, what is secret supposed to be secret. You shouldn't have to go around telling people about your emotion, your secrets, just because you feel that they are good people. They can be your worst enemy. They can really be your worst enemy. So let's take down. Let me start with my tutorial. Thank you so much. God bless you. It's Mora FC. This is me. You know what it is. Yeah, I love you. Yeah, let's get started. Yeah, fold the fabric into two. Then after that, you hold that angle, replace that hold, and you fold the triangle. We're gonna need the back measurement, and you divide it into two, and you have the sew your allowance. So that's what we're gonna use to get our shoulder. So you just have to put on it, then you get it. After that, you may give it a slope. Shoulder slope is a kid, so you just have to do it half. If an adult, you make it 1. So the neck, I measure 2.5, and this part, I give it a slope. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. The hammer, I made it 5. If it's an adult, make it 9 inches. And that's the shoulder belt. The best side, I make it 2. You can make it 1.5. It depends how big or small that you want it to be. Then you make a curve. The front, I made it 2.5. If you're an adult, you can make it 7, 8. It depends how deep you want it to be. Do you understand? So you can manipulate it and do how the measurement that you want to be. After that, we check the length of it. The first line that we made, that's what we're going to use to determine the length of it. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment and share. Click on the notification bell. Anytime that I post a video like this, you get the notified, you get a message that I drop a video, so you will come and watch. Show me some love, baby. Baby, show me some love, baby. I got you, so you got me back. When I say I need you, need me back. Show me some love, baby. Baby, show me some love, baby. When I say I need you, do you really need me back? I love you, baby. You love me, baby. Yeah, you just have to keep on cutting. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Ask me a question, or if you have one, if you don't have, just give me a great comment. And let's hit it on. This is how it's gonna look like. So we're gonna join the shoulder and join the side by side, and shoulder and join the side. But we're gonna do the popping. We gotta pop the neck. We're gonna pop the armhole. In our dialogue, they can say the pop. We use the popping. In our something music like Oh popping, ah yeah popping, hey more popping, ah yeah popping, hey are you popping? Yeah we popping, popping. Yeah I'm cutting the popping, and I'm cutting 1 inch. You know, we use the cutting, so we know how 1 inch look like, we know how 2 inch look like, so we can just hold it and just start cutting that. This is 1 inch that I'm cutting. So sometime I finish cutting, then I will just come and check and see if, just to know that, yeah, to show you that it's 1 inch that I cut. So you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, you know, show some love, comment, support the movement, click on notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. So this is how it's gonna look like. It's a circular top, you know, a circular top. So you can fold, you can pop the front and the back first before joining the shoulder, or you can join one shoulder and pop the neck. After that you join, so that you pop the front and the back together. After that you join the other shoulder, or if you can able to, you know, join the shoulder before popping around it, is up to you. And when you finish, then you pop the same thing as the neck. You put the facing and the facing together, the facing of the fabric and the facing of the popping fabric, you put them together, then you sew. After you sew, then you turn it. If you are not subscribed, I don't know what you are waiting for, my lovely beautiful dear. So subscribe, give me a thumbs up, click on notification bell, so anytime that I put, this is how we pop it. You see how I'm folding it in? Yeah, I just have to folding it back in. You have to turn it. So I'm working at the wrong side of the fabric. At first I put it on the right side of the fabric. Now I've turned it over, you know, turn it in, working on the wrong side of the fabric now. So when you're down, you just have to join the other shoulder. You do the same thing. You pop the armhole, then you join side by side. That's it. If you have not subscribed yet, I don't know what you are waiting for. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave your comment. Show me love, baby. Show me love, baby. Baby, I got you. Show me love, baby. Show me love, you know. Yep, you know what it is, man. We're doing what we're doing. We keep on doing it. A lot of video to be shown. So subscribe for more videos every Wednesday and every Sunday, Wednesday. Come to here, come and watch my tutorial. Never forget, click it in your mind that, hey, Mora have a video, so let me go and watch it. It's on Sundays and Wednesdays. So thank you for watching. I will appreciate your time and your energy. You see how the popping look like? Yeah, then you just have to pop, then we join the shoulder, then you sew the bottom. I'm done. The rest are yours. You sew it. You see, kind of sew that part. Sew here, then you fold it and 1/2 inch. You just sew around it. Here we go.